This was never opened before. Oh my god, they knocked everything down! Oh! This is fun for FPV though. Hello. Να πάμε έτσι και να filming. Κάτω εδώ μέσα στο park. Ναι. Εντάξει. Wow, honestly, I am shocked. I'm glad I caught this all on camera. See, πάμε στη γωνιά, θα είμαστε εντάξει. Εντάξει. Δάμε. Right, just as an update. So this is the FPV park I flew at last time at Crown Resorts. And you would have seen on camera that the gentleman was telling us that we're not allowed to be here because of construction. If something happens, you know, like we're not supposed to be here. And that's it, we just wanted to have a look. So if we fly here, we should be fine. Right, let's get going. I love flying at this place, but my first battery, I was proper nervous. The last time I was here was with the Cinelog 25, and now I'm with the Mark 5, which obviously flies better, but it's just like if you hit a tree, which there's plenty of them here, I don't want it to get stuck up there. So I'm thinking another battery or two, and then maybe I'll save one for the mountains. But I'm gonna do another flight. Okay. Right, I am with Nicola, and we're gonna go into the mountains to fly some drones. Well, I'm flying FPV and the Air 3. Nicola's flying the Mini 3 Pro. See some cool spots in Cyprus. I think that's it for now, but it's hot, so I'm gonna put the air conditioning on and we're gonna get moving. Right, I'm currently testing DJI tracking modes. So it will be spotlight and point of interest, which are very similar, and then active track. So the footage that I want to capture with the drone can't be done properly here because we're in the EU, and it keeps saying to me that you have to be within 50 meters of the subject you're tracking, which I get regulations, but now I can't be far enough and it's too close to the trees. Nicola is flying the Mini 3 Pro. That is filmmaking at its finest. Put the camera down, run up, pick it up, turn it. Right. Oh. Adesso su.
Ναι.
I am a bit nervous, so I'm thinking to fly up there, and as I come down along the path of this road round the tree, I don't really want to go far off because literally when you go down there's nothing. Just to show you, there is nothing. So if the drone goes down there, I don't want to start a fire. There's also the odd car that comes. This is Gremostis bellis, and that translates to the female nutcase, isn't there?
Ναι.
Wish me luck. The lighting right now is so good as well.
I've been contemplating all my time. My thoughts make me tired, just running through my mind. Wonder if there's peace that I can find, instead of always being on the grind. I need a new purpose, I'm looking for so much more. Don't leave me here searching, you're just what I'm longing for. When times are getting crazy and everything seems hazy, is there some place for safety I could go? Run away, run away, run away into your escape. Run away, run away, run away, you're never too far to run. Run away, run away, run away into your escape. Run away, run away, run away. Run away, run away, run away. It gets so loud that I can barely hear. But your words speak much louder than all my fears. Sometimes I just wanna disappear, running until I can feel you near. I need a new purpose, I'm looking for so much more. Don't leave me here searching, you're just what I'm longing for. When times are getting crazy and everything seems hazy, is there some place for safety I could go? Run away, run away, run away into your escape. Run away, run away, run away, you're never too far to run. Run away, run away, run away into your escape. Run away, run away, run away. Run away, run away, run away. Run away, run away, run away into your escape. Run away, run away, run away, you're never too far to run. Run away, run away, run away into your escape. Run away, run away, run away. Run away, run away, run away.
Me. My heart, honestly, my heart, I thought I was going to lose it. ¿Y después bien, papá, no?
Ajá.
one drone, and there's the other drone. You can just see it in the distance. Home time. Don't forget to like and subscribe. The Crio's fucking cold. Just when you think you're gonna go home, literally with the car. Perfect alignment with the moon.